What's up, everyone? So in this video, I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links on Reddit. So this is especially for those that are doing affiliate marketing on Reddit. And let me tell you, doing affiliate marketing is not easy on Reddit, and you need to have some strategies, some tricks in order to circumvent, comment bans, account bans, and all that sort of stuff. So in this video, I will show you everything that we ourselves use for marketing on Reddit, and this is a great option if you're promoting affiliate products. And let's dive right into it. So I'll just explain what things you should do before I provide you with a solution on how to add your affiliate links in comments. But first of all, these are very basic things which I've seen people make these mistakes. So the first ones are using ref, or via or UTM links. So these are a big no. If you have, let's suppose you have xyz.com, question mark, um, um, I don't know what it's like this, so it's equals to ref. But yeah, you get the point. It's you should not be having these in your affiliate links. So these are a big no if you have them. It doesn't matter if you do these links from high karma old accounts. They will always be removed and flagged by not just the subreddit. It will be flagged by Reddit's filters. So uh, then you should not be using direct affiliate links in the comments. So for example, if you have a product and you are promoting the product, it's whatever service that you're promoting, and they give you the affiliate link. So just using those affiliate links in comments is also a big no. So if you do this, most of the times what you've seen is that those links have a ref name in it, or a via, or a UTM link in it. So by default, it's like you cannot use just directly copying it and pasting it in Reddit. If it was that easy, trust me, Reddit would be littered with spam right now, and it's for a good reason that you cannot just directly copy a link from any for any product and just start promoting that. You need to have some sort of system. And then for banned domain, so this is something that many people do not know, but sometimes what happens is if it's a brand you're promoting. So let's just take an example of Go High Level. Now, I don't know if the domain is banned or not, but if a domain is abused too much or used too much or spammed too much on Reddit, then Reddit is going to ban that domain. So if you do any comment that is with a domain, if you're promoting any product, if that is banned on Reddit, then no matter how many comments you do, that comment isn't going to go through. So the best way to check if a website is banned or not, you go to the chat section. This is the easiest way to check, and this is what I use. You just open chat, you just send that domain to someone. Okay, if it is banned, you will see an instant message. So it will say this domain is banned. If it's not, it'll just go through. Okay, so but if it is banned, you will see that message. And yeah, you can just, if you do not see any message where it says, hey, it's not banned, then that just means you can promote that domain. Okay, so this is just one of the best ways to check if it is banned or not, and you can just delete that message once you check that. So yeah, then the next thing is you should not be using 302 redirects. Now, a 302 is basically a temporary redirect, and this is basically what every affiliate link is going to have. So for example, if you take any service, any product that you're promoting, they'll give you an affiliate link. All right, and when you go to that affiliate link, it gets redirected. All right, so everyone knows what I'm talking about, right? So that redirection that's a 302 redirection. So it's a temporary redirect. So if you add these, and that's why I said like just using the direct affiliate links, because these direct affiliate links, they have 302 redirects. All right. So if it's a 302 redirect, what this basically tells Reddit is that, hey, um, this domain is basically a temporary redirect, and maybe most probably this is an affiliate link. So this is how, there's the Reddit's filters. It, it just filters out automatically. It removes your comment if it has a domain that has a 302 redirect. Because let's just be like in a very common sense thing. If my brand is facebook.com, right? If I want to promote that. So if I add facebook.com in my comment, and when a user clicks on it, and even when Reddit's bot clicks on it, they're taken to facebook.com, right? But if Reddit sees that I have written facebook.com in the comment, and when a user clicks on it and it goes to some other domain which is xyz.com, so that basically is an indicator to Reddit that, hey, this is a temporary redirect. So maybe it's most probably an affiliate link, and that's when it removes your comment. All right. So I will tell you all the solutions, what you need to do in order to add your affiliate links in comments, right? And then the last one is, do not do more than 5 or 8 comments. Let me just add this in 24 hours with the same domain. Okay. So for example, if my domain is facebook.com and I go and comment on relevant threads promoting my offer or whatever, and if I do more than 5 or 8 comments in 24 hours, Reddit's Reddit's bot is going to auto remove those comments. So even if they do go through, you will see, I'm sure people that are watching this, that have done a lot of marketing on Reddit, they will know what I'm talking about. So if you do this, you will see magically, like it goes through, but after a few hours or within 24 hours, you'll see it just disappears, that comment from that thread, right? So that's basically Reddit. Okay, that's Reddit's filters that is removing those, because they see that you are doing too many comments with the same domain. Because let's face it, it's not possible for a domain to be referencing in so many comments in a very short span of time, right? So they just categorize that as spam. Okay. Now, so the solutions for this. So the first few solutions that I will tell you, they're good, but they have some limitations, and I'll explain why. Okay. So the first thing is, what you need to do is, for example, if you have an affiliate link, right? Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to buy a domain from a link shortener service. So this is the first thing that you need to do. So it can be any link shortener that you have. You can search on Google like the best link shortener tool, whatever, and you can start using it. Almost all of them are pretty much the same, just pricing is different. So the first thing is, you need to buy a domain with a link shortener, and once you buy that domain, what you will do is you will get the affiliate link, okay, and you will use that to redirect. Okay, so to give you an example, let's just close this. So this is basically um, this is a link shortener. So it's a domain. So if I click on this, you will see, wait, let me see. So this is getupbase.one, right? So see where it goes. So it goes to upbase.io, and this is the affiliate link. All right. So it goes to Upbase, but the domain I had was getupbase.one. Okay. So the first thing is, you need to buy a domain and do a 301 redirect. This is very important, because most people, even with the link shortener service they're using, they do a 302 redirect. Okay, and remember what I said, that 302 redirects, they're not good. Reddit thinks that it is just going to be, you know, an affiliate link that is going to redirect. So that's where it removes your comments. But if you do a 301 redirect, 301 redirect is basically a permanent redirect. Okay, it basically tells Reddit that, you know, this is a permanent redirection. So maybe it is, because permanent redirection is basically done when you acquire a business and you just want to, you know, move all the traffic, you know, from one domain to another, and that's when you do that. So this is basically more like, hey, this is permanent, right? So it just gives Reddit this confidence that, hey, you know, this might not be an affiliate link. Okay, there are other ways also, they, you know, have like to check, but this is, you know, a far more reliable option that we've seen with a 301 redirect than using a 302 redirect. And you can see that. So for example, if I just remove this and I open this in a new tab, so now this is this is a tool that you can download, an extension, link redirect trace. So this basically tells you like the status of a website. So if I click on this, you will see over here it says a 301 redirect. Okay, so this is really good, because now if a Reddit bot, you know, it comes, you know, it comes from, you know, this domain till to this domain, it sees, oh hey, you know, this is a 301 redirect, maybe this is permanent, you know, they're not, you know, it's not an affiliate link or something. But it yeah, because you see this domain, the one that, you know, I will be getupbase.one, this is going to be the one that I will be using in the comments, right? And you can see it has no you know, via ref UTM links or any of that thing. You know, it's just, you know, one single domain. So it can be even this, or it can be getupbase.one slash you know, whatever slug that you want to add, like best photo editor, right? Just an example. So it can be anything, but make it look clean. The domain, the you know, whatever comes after, it should be clean. It shouldn't look like this. VA equals to PX, you know, affiliate 20. This is something like the bots can easily identify, like, hey, this is affiliate link, right? So this is the first solution. Then do not rely just on one domain. So even if you buy one domain from a link shortener tool, that is not sufficient, because remember I said that you cannot you cannot do more than 5 to 8 comments in 24 hours with the same domain. So even if you do promote an offer, and if you do 5 to 8, more than 5 to 8, your comments are just going to be removed. So it is best to buy multiple domains using a link shortener service, and then you do a 301 redirect. All right. So don't just use one domain, because yeah, it's not going to work. You need to have multiple ones. And then you need to have high karma and old accounts. This is a given. So even if you follow everything that I've just mentioned you know, all these things, if you follow everything, even then, if you use a new Reddit account, or you use, you know, a bot account, it's not going to work at all. So this is a must. So this is like, once you've done everything, this is like a must. And this is where, you know, you can use crowd reply, our service. So we basically have our own network of accounts that are, you know, active, that are high karma, old, and you can use that you know, to submit the comments. All right. So yeah, this is a given. You there's no way you can use a new account and, you know, promote your links, because in new accounts you cannot even add a link, let alone an affiliate link. Okay, so you need to have this in order to add links in your comments. Now this is basically the safest option. So you can do this. This is good, but the safest option is just using a Medium article as a doorway page. What this does is that you can use a Medium article, right? Let's just suppose you're promoting, you're promoting an AI image generator, logo generator, whatever, you know, whatever the niche is. It can be anything. and you want to promote that. So now you can, what you can do is you can do either this, you buy a domain and all the, whatever that I taught you. But the safest one is you can write an article. So for example, best AI art generator. So what I will do is I will write an article and I will add my affiliate links. Okay, so see what this person is doing. See, it has all the, here in the article you can simply just copy and paste the affiliate links. You do not need to do anything here. Okay, just make sure the article is good. Like it's not, like if anyone comes in and he's like, he can easily see, oh, this is AI generated content. Just make sure you put some effort into the article. And once you have this article, so for example, this is the link. Okay, this is the link that I can now use in my comments. All right, and the best part about this is that you can do as many comments as you want with the same article in 24 hours. So you can do maybe 500 comments with this same link in your comments, and you don't have to worry about being banned, because the reason is that Medium is a very trusted source. So you have, it is because even if you do 500, 1,000, comments, it is not going to be banned because this is Medium. All right. So they cannot ban medium.com. It's not possible. So that's where Medium is a great resource, as a doorway page. So you can write a comment where it's like, hey, I read this article on Medium, on the best AI art generators, and you can just link this article in your comment. All right. So anyone now then is going to see, you're basically going to siphon off traffic from Reddit, and they're going to come over here to this article, and from here, they can simply just click on, whatever they like, and you get a commission. Okay, so this is one of the best methods that we've seen working for our clients, for agencies, and it works like a charm. Yeah. And the other thing is that it has a very high stick rate. So the comments being removed by Reddit, it's a very low percentage. So maybe even less than like 2-3%. And you can do this at scale. You don't have to worry about these things that I told you, like 5 or 8 comments in 24 hours with the same domain. With this, you can just do one article, and you can use this in your comments, this specific article link, as many times as you want. Now, this Medium is just one example. So you have LinkedIn pages, you can use those. Um, right now, yeah, I think I just have LinkedIn as another example where you can use that. But yeah, Medium works really well, to promote your affiliate links, because this way you're not directly adding your affiliate link in the Reddit comment. You're basically adding the Medium article link in your comments. So that's where it gets really hard for Reddit to even know that you're doing affiliate marketing. So I hope this video added some value. Do share, subscribe, and like this video. And if you have any questions, if you have anything that you want to know, you can comment below and I will answer them for you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.